Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively view and understand your general ledger. This essential financial record tracks every transaction, offering a comprehensive overview of your company's financial health. We'll cover how to access it, what key information to look for, and how it helps in preparing accurate financial reports. Getting familiar with your ledger is crucial for informed decision-making and maintaining precise financial records. Accessing your general ledger is typically straightforward with modern accounting software. Look for a Reports menu, then select General Ledger or a similar option. You can usually customize your view by filtering for specific dates, accounts, or transaction types to pinpoint the information you need. This flexibility allows for detailed analysis of your financial activities, ensuring you can quickly find relevant data. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. On another note, quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and manage your smart home. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. When viewing your ledger, pay close attention to each entry's date, description, and the corresponding debit or credit amount. Every transaction impacts at least two accounts, maintaining the fundamental accounting equation. Regularly reviewing account balances helps you spot financial trends, identify potential errors, and ensure all your financial records are accurate and up to date for better financial management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.